Hi guys, this is Oladitidaya. You are once again welcome to my YouTube channel where I normally talk about awesome programs you can use to make money online. Today I would like to talk about this awesome program. The program is not really too new, but it has been paying, it has been tested, and I want to tell you the program is paying. It's not like all these ponzi programs or pyramid schemes or scams. No, if you join this program, you are going to make money. You make money every day on this program. All the things that you normally do that you don't get paid for it, when you join this program, you get paid for it. When you read news, you get paid for it. When you post on Facebook, you get paid for it. When you comment on news updates, you get paid for it. So what program am I really talking about? The program is NNU, Nigeria News Update. And with this program, you join with just a one-time fee of 1,600, and with that you will be qualified to earn on your daily logins. Once you log in daily, you earn. Once you post on Facebook daily, you earn. Once you comment, you earn. The program is so awesome, and if you decide to share with your friends and show them how you are earning too, you also earn. For every person that joined the program through you, you earn a 1,000 naira. So you see how powerful this program can be. If 10 people join the program through you in a day, you can earn your 10,000 naira daily. The program is a program that has unlimited income potential. With this program, you can earn 200, 300,000 in a month, and you know it can be a kind of a source of second income or additional income or extra income to anybody that is interested. So I want to kind of encourage you to join. The program is good, it's very, very good, it's paying, and it's real, and it's reliable, and it's genuine. So do yourself a favor, click on the link in the description to this video and join the program immediately. So till my next video, where I will be talking about another awesome program that you can use to earn with little or minimum effort, I say bye bye and stay blessed.